If you are facing any issue with file sharing app, then in this video I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process on how you can troubleshoot this app. If your app can't open, it is too slow, it keeps on crashing, or some features are not working, you can't share files, then just follow these steps to fix your app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix your SHAREit app. First, you need to access SHAREit app info page, and you can do this by just long pressing on your app, and you can see we have app info. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear here, or even the name of the app. Now by typing on any of this, you will be on SHAREit app. However, if you can't access this, then just head to settings, and from settings look for apps, and from apps go to manage apps. Sometimes if you don't see manage apps, you should see all apps. Just search for your app by name like that, and here is our app. And as you can see, we are on the app info page. Here first you want to force stop app and then go to clear data, and this time choose clear cache. Tap on OK, and you'll need to restart your smartphone and your app should be working now. However, if this does not solve your problem, then come back to app info and go to clear all data and log in afresh to your app to use it. However, if this does not solve, then go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are on Android smartphone and look for any update if it is available and update your app to the latest version. But should you still have issues of your app that is stopping when you try to open, for that you'll need to uninstall the app and install it afresh. So by doing so, you will fix any bugs that might be associated with your app. So let me know which of these methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.